What is up, tech gang? Stefan here from TechRight, and today we're going to be taking a look at what might be the best budget phone of 2018. I am super hyped to unbox this. I've only heard really good things about this. Basically, this is the 7X upgraded in quality as far as specs go, but I'm going to go ahead and show you my first impressions and unboxing of the Huawei Mate SE. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so taking a look around the box, we have the gold Huawei Mate SE emblem on the front of the box. We have another Huawei emblem on the bottom of the box. And as you guys guessed, yes, I got the white and gold colorway. They do have a gray and black colorway if you guys want to go ahead and get that. But I just thought the Huawei Mate SE looked way better in gold and white. In my opinion, you guys have another option or another colorway to pick it up in. But let's go ahead and unbox this. No wait, let's just go ahead and get straight into this. Now, as you guys know, this is going to be an upgrade from the 7X. If you guys know, the 7X was having some software issues and some slowdowns and stuff like this, but this has a boost in RAM. We have 4 gigabytes of RAM in this, as well as 64 gigabytes of ROM, so we have 64 gigabytes of storage in this bad boy as well. Let's go ahead and open this up. Always cut away from you. I kind of screwed up there. Ooh, I am super excited right now. Let's do this. Boom, we got the phone on the top right here. Phone on the top. Man, this already feels so premium. I'm loving this. I'm loving this so far, guys. I've seen 2 videos on this, man. I've seen 2 videos on this, and I have to say I'm super hyped. We're gonna be saving the best for last, as always. Next thing we have in here is the SIM ejector tool. As you guys know, this is a all metal unibody phone, so we're gonna have to use a SIM ejector tool to actually open up the device to put your SIM card inside of here. But I'm interested in testing many carriers on here, such as Metro PCS and Cricket and some other carriers that I want to test out. But yeah, that's our SIM ejector tool, if you guys didn't know what that was. Next thing we have in here is the quick start guide. If you guys don't know about phones, we have a quick start guide right here. Nobody reads this crap though. Ooh, and then Huawei coming in with that gel case right here. We have a clear gel case so you guys can show off your phone. Man, I love these gel cases, honestly. The reason being is because you can show off your new phone that you got. If you have slick wraps or you have something else on your phone, it just kind of covers up the beauty of the phone. So I really want this phone to show, so I'm glad we got this silicone case right here. Next thing we have in here is the wall charger right here. And guys, the only thing really that pissed me off so far, okay, there might be more things. This is not Type-C, this is micro USB. Come on guys, learn. It's 2018. Get out of the micro USB age. Everybody likes Type-C now. You companies really need to learn. But not really. They probably had to make some budget cuts or whatever. But how much is a Type-C cord? Come on. And that looks like all we have in the box. Man, straight off the bat, this feels super premium. Like for $230, guys. I can't tell you how premium this feels in my hands right now. This kills the Blade Z Max, guys. This absolutely obliterates the Blade Z Max, man. Man, so far this definitely is killing the game. As far as design and stuff, I'm loving this design as well. Let's go ahead and take the sticker off the back. Let's go ahead and get this phone turned on. But as the phone starts turning on, we're going to go ahead and list some of the specifications off. Yes, we still have Android 7.0 Nougat with the MUI 5.1 running on this as well. We also have dual SIM, which is pretty cool, dual standby, and we have a 5.99 inch Full HD Plus IPS 2160 by 1080p pixel resolution, which has a pretty high PPI of 407, one of the highest PPIs I've seen on a budget phone so far. Also, we have a 2.3 gigahertz Kirin 659 octa-core processor. We also have 4 gigabytes of RAM in this bad boy as well. We have the Mali T830 MP2 GPU, 64 gigabytes internal storage, and this can be expandable up to 256 gigabytes via micro SD card. We also have an 8 megapixel front facing camera. We also have a 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras. We have a fingerprint sensor on the back that I heard was out of this world. We also have 4G LTE on this phone plus HSPA plus. We have Bluetooth version 4.1, and we have a 3,340 milliamp non-removable battery. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set this phone up, and then I'll cut to me taking a look at it. Guys, all right, so just turning on the phone, the screen looks great. Yeah, I have it on full brightness right now. The screen looks absolutely like amazing, to be honest, for a 1080p screen. First thing that I noticed about this phone, the fingerprint sensor is off the freaking hook. Look at this, guys. Look at this craziness. 100% of the time, though. 100% of the time. 100% of the time. 100% of the time. The fingerprint sensor is a freaking savage. It's a beast, guys. This fingerprint sensor is crazy, like literally so fast. Like, man, that really surprised me right there, honestly. I just want to get that out of the way because this is an exceptional fingerprint sensor. All right, so first of all, we have the MUI running 5.1, and we also have Nougat 7.0. That's a little downside to this phone. We don't have Android 8.0 on this device. Not sure if we're gonna, be receiving it, but I hope we do. Maybe, I'm not sure in the future, but that would be dope. There's a ton of things you can do on Huawei devices, though. You can customize your phone. We have health, high care. We have themes. The YouTube app is preloaded on there. See Amazon, learn from that. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I like the little setup. Setup looks pretty dope so far. If we go into the settings right here, there's a whole ton of different things that you can do on here. Honestly, in my opinion, this just looks like it screams Apple. It just like it feels like an iPhone. Honestly, it feels like an iPhone, looks like an iPhone. Like if someone was holding this in their hand, it would look like an iPhone to me, to be 100% honest with you. Now, as we see right here, obviously we have MUI version 5.1. We have the Android version 7.0. CPU, the Kirin 659, 4 gigabytes of RAM. I can't wait to put this phone through the ropes, man. I'm gonna do so many videos about this phone. This phone looks like such a beast so far. The other thing that I am so excited to test out. Now, this is my first impressions. I'm gonna try taking a picture of this mouse right here using the bokeh effect, I guess, is on here. It gives you a little run through of the camera, but I'm gonna use the bokeh effect or portrait mode if you guys are on iOS or use Apple. I heard the camera is really good for the price. But yeah, guys, we do have a wide aperture mode that I'm gonna go ahead and test out right now, see how it works. Camera is beautiful, honestly, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. Looks awesome. $230, and the thing they get right is they cut out they get it right with this camera as well, because the Blade Z Max couldn't get it right with the bokeh effect. Still did pretty good, but this is freaking great for $230, man. This is a beast of a phone, guys. But yeah, guys, as you know, we have a bunch of different modes on the camera. We have photo, pro mode, video, pro video mode, HDR, panorama, light painting, all that jazz. You guys can go ahead and check that out in my next video that I'm going to be uploading. I'm going to give you a tour of the whole phone, give you a walkthrough review. I'm going to be doing a ton of videos on this phone. The phone looks absolutely dope so far, though. This phone is definitely a go for $230, and I've only been using for like about 10 minutes, so pretty crazy, guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. And yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day. This is Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, guys.